Have you ever wondered about your cat's butt? Maybe only when it's waving in the air before an incredible jump? Or when it's showing it right to your face? In today's video, you will learn 13 fascinating facts about a cat's butt. This will help you better understand its peculiar behaviors and deepen your bond. Join us. 1. Why do cats wiggle their behinds before jumping? One of the most adorable and intriguing behaviors of a cat is wiggling its behind before jumping. Although it looks cute and funny, this behavior is deeply rooted as a sign of attack preparation. Wiggling helps the cat assess and adjust its balance before making the jump. This is crucial for the precision and effectiveness of the attack, whether the target is a toy or real prey. These movements can help the cat increase the grip of its hind legs on the ground, which is important for a strong launch and stability during the jump. Wiggling also engages and warms up the muscles, preparing them for sudden, quick movements. This behavior is especially visible in young kittens, who are learning movement coordination and perfecting their hunting skills. 2. Why does your cat stick its butt in your face? It might seem strange and somewhat uncomfortable, but when your cat sticks its butt in your face, it's a way of saying hello and showing trust. For cats, this is normal, friendly behavior. In the feline world, sticking a butt in the face is equivalent to a friendly handshake. Cats use this gesture to show they trust you and feel safe with you. This gesture is full of affection and acceptance. By sticking its butt in your face, your cat wants to share its scent, which is a form of communication and bond building. In nature, cats sniff each other to learn more about their health, mood, and territory. Cats sometimes stick their butts in your face to get your attention. It might be their way of saying, "Hey, pet me," or "Pay attention to me." If your cat feels you're not giving it enough time, it might use this gesture to remind you of its presence. 3. Cats recognize each other by sniffing butts. Yes, you heard right. Although sniffing butts is more commonly associated with dogs, cats also use this method for communication. Each cat has a unique scent, known as pheromones, which can be likened to a business card. Pheromones inform other cats about reproductive cycles and readiness for mating, crucial for species preservation. The scent can also contain information about a cat's health, allowing other cats to assess whether an individual is sick or healthy. Moreover, pheromones convey information about which areas are occupied by a given cat, helping to avoid territorial conflicts. The scent can even reflect the cat's current emotional state, such as stress, fear, or relaxation. 4. Cats use their butts to express emotions. A cat's behind can serve to express emotions. For example, when a cat is relaxed and feels safe, it may raise its tail and expose its butt as a sign of trust and comfort. Conversely, cats that are upset or frightened may keep their tail low and hide their butt to minimize contact with others. Observing tail movements and butt positions can provide valuable clues about a cat's emotional state, which can be helpful for caregivers in understanding their pet's needs and moods. 5. A cat's behind has scent glands. Scent plays an extremely important role in the life of cats. They use it to navigate new places, communicate with other cats, and mark their territory. Cats have over 200 million scent receptors in their noses, compared to our 5 million, making their sense of smell incredibly sharp and precise for analyzing the environment. Pheromones are secreted by scent glands located in various parts of a cat's body, including the behind. The strongest scent glands are around the anus, making this area key for scent communication. Cats often rub their behinds against furniture, objects, or people, which is their way of marking territory. When a cat rubs against your legs or furniture, it is marking them with its scent, which for the cat means, "This belongs to me." This is a form of communication, both with other cats and with the environment, allowing cats to create a scent map of their territory, which helps them feel safe and comfortable in their environment. Marking territory with scent is especially important in homes where more than one cat lives. It helps avoid conflicts when each cat has marked its zones. Additionally, scents help cats navigate and recognize safe places, especially in new or stressful situations. 6. Cats have buttocks. Yes, it's true. Cats have buttocks, although they are harder to notice because they are covered with fur. They have the same gluteal muscles as humans, the large, medium, and small gluteal muscles. These muscles are responsible for various leg and tail movements of the cat. The cat's buttocks play an important role in their mobility and ability to jump. Strong gluteal muscles allow cats to perform impressive jumps and quick turns, which are essential for their lifestyle as predators. Additionally, these muscles aid stability and balance, which is crucial when cats move across unstable surfaces or climb. While a cat's buttocks are not as visible as humans, their presence and function are equally significant. By closely observing your cat's movements, you can see how these muscles work as the cat moves, jumps, or climbs. 7. Cats cultivate bacteria in their behinds. Scientists have discovered that cats deliberately cultivate bacteria in their behinds to produce a pheromone spray for marking territory. The cat's anal sacs, also known as anal glands, are responsible for producing a secretion that smells unpleasant to us, but is crucial for cat communication. These glands are located on both sides of the anus and secrete a strong odor that cats use to mark their territory and communicate with other cats. The bacteria living in the anal sacs have a mutually beneficial relationship with cats. These bacteria help produce pheromones, which are chemical signals used by cats for communication. Pheromones contain information about a cat's identity, health status, mood, and territorial status. In return, bacteria gain a safe environment to live and reproduce. This symbiotic partnership is crucial for effective scent communication in the cat community. When a cat secretes a pheromone spray, usually by rubbing itself or leaving feces, other cats can read these chemical signals, which helps maintain harmony and order in their environment. This form of communication is particularly important for wild cats, who need to avoid territorial conflicts and find potential mates for reproduction. 8. A cat's behind is sensitive. The area around a cat's anus is extremely sensitive due to the numerous nerve endings located there. These nerves are particularly sensitive to touch, making cats feel intense discomfort or pain if something is wrong in this area. That's why it's important for cat caregivers to pay attention to any signs of discomfort or problems in this area. Neglecting hygiene around the butt can lead to serious health problems, such as infections, clogged anal glands, or wounds. Infections can be caused by bacteria that enter microtears or scratches around the anus. Clogged anal glands can lead to painful swelling and infections that require veterinary intervention. To prevent infections and ensure your cat's comfort, it's important to regularly check the area around the butt and keep it clean. Special attention should be paid to older cats, long-haired cats, and overweight cats, who may have difficulty maintaining hygiene themselves. In such cases, gently wiping the area with a damp cloth or soft tissue can be helpful. If you notice any concerning symptoms, such as excessive licking, rubbing the butt on the floor, bleeding, swelling, or unpleasant odor, consult a veterinarian immediately. The vet will assess the health of the cat and recommend appropriate treatment. 9. A cat's behind can indicate parasites. Parasitic infections are quite common in cats and can cause various health problems. Parasites such as roundworms, hookworms, tapeworms, or coccidia can infect a cat in various ways. The most common routes of infection are through contact with infected feces, eating contaminated food, or catching and eating an infected rodent. If you suspect your cat has parasites, pay special attention to its behind and feces. Symptoms of parasitic infection may include visible parasites. Sometimes you can see parasites in the cat's feces or around its anus. They may look like small white worms, tapeworms, or long thin threads, roundworms. Diarrhea. Parasites often lead to digestive disturbances, which can manifest as diarrhea. Bloody or mucus stool. The presence of blood or mucus in the feces can indicate more serious problems with the digestive tract caused by parasites. If you notice anything concerning, such as diarrhea, blood in the feces, or visible parasites, consult a veterinarian. Early diagnosis and treatment are key to your cat's health. The vet may recommend appropriate deworming medications and further tests to ensure the infection is completely cured. 10. Newborn kittens need stimulation of the behind. Small kittens who have just come into the world cannot urinate or defecate on their own. For the first few weeks of their lives, the mother is responsible for stimulating these functions. The mother does this by gently licking the area around the genitals and anus of her kittens. This process is not only necessary for the health of the kittens, to stimulate urination and defecation, but also helps maintain cleanliness in the nest. This process is necessary for the first 3 to 4 weeks of the kitten's lives. If the kittens are orphaned or their mother cannot care for them, human caregivers must take on these duties. Stimulation is done using a soft, warm cloth or cotton pad soaked in warm water. The caregiver gently rubs the area around the genitals and anus to induce urination and defecation. This process is continued after each feeding until the kittens can defecate on their own. 11. A cat's behind and social relationships. Social interactions among cats often involve using the behind as a form of communication. When cats live in a group, they often sniff each other to confirm their identity and update information about the health and mood of other group members. This behavior helps maintain harmony in the group and prevents unnecessary conflicts. Sniffing the behind is especially important in the case of newly arrived cats, who need to integrate into the existing social hierarchy. 12. Cats use their behinds to mark territory. Cats are very territorial animals, and their behind plays a crucial role in marking territory. When a cat rubs its behind against various objects, such as furniture, doors, or even people, it leaves its unique scent. This lets other cats know that the area is already occupied. Marking territory with scent helps cats avoid conflicts and feel safe in their environment. For humans, this may be unnoticeable, but for cats, it's an important element of their daily communication and navigation. 13. A cat's health can be assessed through its behind. A cat's behind can provide a lot of information about its health. Here are some health problems that can be identified by observing this body part. Digestive problems. Digestive disorders, such as constipation or diarrhea, can be visible through changes in the cat's feces. Diarrhea can lead to skin irritation around the anus, and constipation can cause pain and difficulty defecating. Clogged anal glands. Anal glands should naturally empty during defecation, but sometimes they can become clogged. This manifests as swelling, redness, and sometimes infection. The cat may show excessive licking of the area, rubbing the butt on the ground, or difficulty sitting. Infections. Infections in the anal area can cause pain, swelling, and the secretion of unpleasant-smelling fluid. This may require antibiotics or other veterinary interventions. Injuries. Any scratches, bites, or other damage to the anal area can lead to infection and require veterinary care. If you think this video was interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.